Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art and I'll make a snail in this video. Let's get started. So with my paper, I'll fold it in half lengthways and on the diagonal so I can make the creases for a square base. There's lots of ways to do this. Today I decided I'd fold it on the diagonal and use the sides to bring up and flatten down. I'll then take the corners of my square base and fold these in towards that vertical crease. I'll flip over to the other side and repeat these steps here. I'm doing the steps of a crane base here, so these are just the preparation folds to do so. Then taking the top section, fold this downwards. I usually like to reinforce this, so I'll fold it the other way as well. Then from here, unfold all of those things that you've just done. And I'll pop this back on the table and I'll start pulling that uppermost layer over, which then makes the paper want to spread out and then flatten into shape into a diamond. So I'll work on one side. This looks pretty good, so I'll flip over to the other side and do the same here. Here's my crane base. I'll be working on the opposite layer, so not the open ends. I'll spin my paper around. So I'll fold this corner in towards the middle of the diamond. And then with that edge, I'll fold this over again. So that little tip's been tucked underneath. And then fold this layer over like so. Then I'll flip over to the other side and do these steps again. So the tip goes right into the middle, then I'll tuck the tip underneath with this edge and then fold this layer over. Perfect. For the next step, it helps if you open up that uppermost layer. I'll be doing some inside reverse folds with the open ends. So fold these on a diagonal angle and make sure you do a really strong crease here. So I'll unfold that, I'll open up the middle section, pull this up and then fold those sides over. My tip's being a little bit annoying here, but you get the idea. So again, same thing with the head, make a nice, sharp, strong crease on a diagonal angle. I'll bring it up close. Oh wow. So you can see me opening it up in the middle and I pull it all the way up and then I fold it over like so. The final little detail is to grab some scissors and on the head I'll just cut a little bit on the tip. So it's only a little bit, but I'll fold this outwards and this completes the snail. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!